Okay, let's get some Filipino street food.
Welcome back sa ating channel. Today, may panibago tayong solid na food trip sa Pilipinas. Lulusubin ulit natin ang mga kalsada kasi grabe, cravings malala at gutom na naman ako. From the sizzling aromas sa gilid-gilid up to the ultimate local favorites, ipapakita ko ulit sa inyo kung bakit iba talaga ang Filipino street food as in, swak na swak sa panlasa. Kaya without further ado, tara, kain tayo. Let's go! Para sa unang banat, binatog, ay 100 over 1 zero classic. Warm, creamy at super coconutty. Solid na pampainit sa malamig na weather. Next is plain lomi. Kahit simple lang yung sabaw, the thick and hot noodles are pwede na to hit the spot, perfect comfort food. At syempre, ang crispy chicken skin. Siyam out of 1 zero. Super crunchy, ibang level lalo na kapag sinausaw sa suka. Mapapahanap pa talaga ng kanin. Ano pang must try Filipino street food? Comment down below. If there are the one Filipino street food you cannot miss, it's the legendary kwek-kwek.
So this is a quail egg. It's put in batter and then deep fried, and it's got like a syrupy sauce on it. Just give it a go. 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Need more sauce. So this delicious street food, kwek-kwek, came in at a whopping 50 pesos, so pretty good price. It's not even £1.
These are hard-boiled quail eggs coated in a vibrant orange batter, tapos deep-fried hanggang maging super crispy. And the best part, isang cup is only 50 pesos. Super sulit at perfect na pampatid gutom while walking around the night market. Top-tier Filipino street food talaga.
Kamote in the Philippines, going in. Nice, it tastes like potato. It tastes like a sweet potato. Both the things that I just tried. This is not like the regular Filipino sweets that I try because, look, halo-halo, it's just sweet on sweet, right? Ube cake, sweet on sweet. Turon, sweet on sweet, right? This is savory on sweet. I like it, but I think it's like sinigang where you first have to get used to the taste of it to really enjoy it. That's what I think. Because it's extremely heavy. It's really, really heavy. You could eat this on its own and you would get full. It's not like a dessert.
Kung naghahanap kayo ng classic Pinoy merienda, you can never go wrong with kamote cube. Ito ay deep-fried sweet potato slices na binalot sa mainit at crunchy caramelized brown sugar. Isang kagat, mararamdaman mo agad ang perfect balance ng sweet at starchy goodness. Sobrang nakakabusog at heavy sa tiyan.
Oh, what's this? What's this name?
Twister fries. The medium size is 35. The large for the
This is a large one. And can I have the small size? The regular?
What flavor you want, ma'am? Cheese, sour cream, barbecue, spicy barbecue.
Cheese.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, cheese powder. Okay.
Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, let me try this. I don't know they call this name. I just know this is like a tornado potato. Yeah, 龙卷风. Let me try.
Yes, ma'am.
Wow, the deep fry very dry. It's super crispy, super crunchy.
Ang highlight ng snack na to, yung pag-coat sa mainit na fries ng inyong favorite flavor gaya nitong classic at umami-rich na cheese powder. Isang kagat at maririnig mo agad ang matinding decent crunch. Super crispy, light at talagang nakaka-addict papaking. For as low as 35 pesos, ito na ang ultimate budget-friendly savory snack habang naglilibot sa Maynila.
I don't know why they don't do that in the UK.
Yeah, welcome to Baguio.
Thank you. You get quite a lot as well, don't you? Yeah, cheese and strawberry. Thank you. 50. Get a lot in there. Here we go. Smells. Doesn't it? It smells like cheese. It's good. I don't know why they don't do that in the UK. Random.
What, the bread roll?
The bread roll. Maybe because people just wouldn't eat it. Maybe, but they should. They should try it. Maybe I'll open up a little ice cream and bread roll stand in the UK.
I only got the strawberry, but it's good. Really good.
Did you try some of the bread roll? Go on, just bite it.
It's amazing. I love that. I love the flavours. Cheese and strawberry ice cream and a bread roll. Who would have thought?
So good. Mass it up. Thank you. Mass it up.
Better baby.
Yeah.
You see the duck? You see the duck? Much better eat the eat all. No, eat all. Don't watch empty. These are delicious.
Go beef.
These
Go.
are
Go beef.
yeah, go. Egg yolk only. Go beef, go beef, go beef, go beef, go beef, go beef.
Delicious part beef. Really vinegar? Try it. This should be a vinegar.
Easy.
Yeah, it's good.
Welcome to the Philippines.
At para sa ultimate street food boss ng Pilipinas ang legendary balut. Look at this first-timer, kinabog ang kaba at tinanggap ang hamon. Ang tamang ritual. Higupin muna ang mainit at malinamnam na sabaw, sabay buhos ng spicy suka at asin. Isang kagat, solid na protein at super creamy on the inside. Nakapasa na siya sa ultimate Pinoy initiation. Eh kayo, mga ka-foodie, may lakas ba kayo ng loob na subukan to tulad niya? Dare to take the balut challenge. Mula sa mga hapon na food trip, let the transition to the ultimate morning
What is
classic.
it?
The defining taste of a Filipino
What is it?
morning, taho is pure
Dessert.
culinary comfort.
Oh,
It's
Try
the perfect
one of
harmony
them.
of hot, silken tofu, chewy tapioca peels, and rich
20.
brown sugar
Try
syrup,
20.
locally known as
So
arnibal.
what is it? Do you
Each spoonful offers a warm, sweet, and comforting
So,
mouthfeel. True Filipino street food so, right in a cup.
Taho. Okay, taho.
Many sugar?
Yeah. Stick it all on. Drink it or
Yes.
just drink? Alright.
You're a blogger?
Do TikTok.
TikTok?
Yeah.
Okay, I think this is called taho. You hear vendors shouting it every morning when they're walking by. I think it's tofu, some pearls, syrup, like a sweet dessert. It is sweet and it's warm as well. 25 pesos. No, 20 pesos. Oh yeah, that's really sweet. So warm. Definitely nice in the morning, I'd say. It reminds me of porridge. This tastes a lot better than porridge. I like it. Delicious.
At dyan nagtatapos ang ating ultimate Philippine street food crawl. Mula sa nakakabusog na umaga kasama ang taho, hanggang sa midnight cravings ng balut at kwek-kwek, talagang walang tatalo sa sarap at saya ng food scene sa mga kalsada ng Pilipinas. Alin sa mga ito ang top pick mo? Let me know sa comments down below. Kung nag-enjoy at nagutom kayo sa video na to, don't forget to like, share, at mag-subscribe para sa marami pang solid na food adventures. Maraming salamat sa panonood, mga ka-foodie. Hanggang sa muli!